Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term IHY. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, IHY is an acronym for I hate you. People use it when joking or expressing mild annoyance in text messages. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. IHY first showed up in early 2000s internet chat rooms as quick shorthand for I hate you. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people and social media users. Now let's check out how to use IHY in a sentence. Correct example 1. She texted IHY after losing the game, but it was all in good fun. Correct example 2. I was so mad today, I just replied with IHY to my friend jokingly. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said IHY at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using IHY right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. IHY means I hate you. It started in early 2000s internet chat rooms, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with IHY in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.